Okay, children, today I am going to take plurals for you. What? Today I am going to take plurals. Okay, children? Okay, children. Now tell me, what is singular and what is plural? What is singular, children? Singular, a naming word which is used for one person or thing, is called singular. What is plural? A naming word which denotes more than one person or a thing is called plural. Now we understand what is singular. A naming word which is used for one person or thing is called singular. A naming word which denotes more than one person or thing is called plural. Okay, children? Okay, children, let me explain with this tabular column. Okay, under singular, you can see only one ball. Under singular, what you can see? Only one ball. If there is only one object, one person, or one thing, it is called singular. Now, see under plural, how many ball is there? 1, 2, 3. How many ball is there? 3 balls. Okay, so here there is more than one ball, so it is called plural. Okay, more than one person or object or a thing is called plural. We name it as a plural. Okay, children, now we understand what I am explaining. If there is only one object, it is singular. If it is more than one object or thing, then it is called plural. Okay, children? Okay, children, now I am going to teach how to write plurals. First one, simply add s. What? First one, simply add s to the word. For example, if you have dog means you can write s at the end of the word. So it makes as a plural. Next one, add es when the word ends with ch, sh, ss, yes and xs. X. Okay. When the word ends with ch, sh, ss, yes and x, you should add es. What you should add? Es. I'll give example for everything, children. I'm just telling this as an instruction first. Okay. Next one. Next, add s for ending y when a-e-i-o-u, that is vowel, comes before y. Okay, add s to the ending word y, children. For example, key. Okay, I am writing key. Okay, now see, the word key ends with y. Before y there is a vowel. What is this? A-E-I-O-U. Under A-E-I-O-U, that is vowel, it comes before the y. So if the word ends like this means you can simply write s at end of the word. Okay. Before y there should be any vowel, children. A, E, I, O, U. If there is any vowel before y means you can simply add yes. Okay. Next instruction. Change y into IES when A-E-I-O-U doesn't come before y. Okay, when the word ends with y but it doesn't have any vowel like this. Okay, then you should change y into IES. Okay, for example, I'll write baby. Okay, baby here. Now see, before y there is no vowel. That is A-E-I-O-U. You doesn't have any vowel before the y. So, you can simply strike this y and you should add IES. Babies. Okay, children. Now you understand? I'll give you more example for all these four. So here comes the first instruction. First example. Simply add s. Okay, first here we have 1 cup So we wrote cup, C-U-P, cup. Here 3 cups are here. So more than one is called plural. So you should write it in a plural form. So now now tell me what is plural for cup? Cups. You should add S over here. So C U P S, cups. Okay, children. Now second example, ball. Okay, so there is one ball, so we wrote BALL, ball. So here 4 balls is over here, 1 2 3 4. So it is more than 1. So what you should write? How you should write? You should write it in a plural form. So what is a plural form for ball? You should add simply yes. B A L L S, balls. Okay, children, now you understand? You should simply add S to the word. Okay. Okay, now see, I told you right. You should add ES when the word ends with CH, SH, S, SS and X. Okay, now see the naming word torch, TORCH. So now it's end with CH. So what you should do? You should add ES in the end. Now tell me how to write. Now see. TORCHES, torches. Okay, now brush. So this naming word also end with SH. Okay, now you should add ES. How you should write? BRUSHES, brushes. Okay, now see what's in third naming word, glass. So this word is also in the list. Okay, so what you should add? At the end you should add ES. Glass means you should add in the end ES, glasses. Okay, now bus. Okay, now you should add ES in the end, buses. Okay, BOX, box. So this word is also in a list. Okay, now you should add ES in the ending. Now you understand, children? Add ES for the naming word which ends with CH, SH, S, SS and X. Now you understand how to write plural form for these words? Okay, children. Okay, children. I told you, right? If vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U comes before Y, then you should simply add S. For example, key, K-E-Y, key. Before Y, there is a vowel E. Okay, so you can simply add S at the end of the word. K-E-Y, yes, keys. Okay, now see, toy, T-O-Y, toy. Now before Y, there is a vowel O. So you can simply add S at end. T-O-Y-S, toys. Okay, now see, if AEIOU, that is vowel, doesn't come before Y. For example, take lady, LADY. Before Y there is no any vowel. We have a consonant word D. So you should write ladies. You should strike the Y. That is LADIES. You should strike the Y and you should write IES. Now see, baby. So after before Y there is no vowel. Okay, there is a consonant word B. So you should strike Y and add IES. Babies. Okay, children. Now you understand how to write? Okay, now you understand, children, how to write plural form when when the word comes ends with Y. Okay, children.